Right now, two SMEs in the same industry with the same revenue are deploying AI in completely different orders. One started with content because it felt safe. 18 months in, they are still waiting for ROI. The other started with ads, fixed their lead response, then layered in sport and content at the last stage. They are going 30% per month with these things. Same tools, same models, same access, different sequence. So nowadays, the most important thing is to understand what should be implemented inside your organization at any given time. This is the question that every SME owner needs to ask themselves. So if you are a small business just like me and you are working and selling your services anywhere in the world, the most important thing for you is what to do right now and what to avoid right now. One thing that I would say surely works is that in 90% of the cases, especially if you have a physical business, it helps a lot if you are on Google. If you are on Google, it is very high priority that you add Google Ads onto it. Now note, I am saying this because you already have a physical presence. So you use Google Ads to start your customer acquisition funnel. And from there, you analyze the ads, and with time, you make them better and better and better, which can be done with the help of AI nowadays. You do not need to do this in the conventional way as we used to do before. When we are talking about ads, it is the most important thing. However, after ads, the second most important thing is not GEO, it's not SEO, and it's definitely not something so far down the line like content. It is to create a pipeline which can manage the leads that are coming in from these ads. So that can happen on Google, Meta, whatever. And once there is a lead coming into your messenger, or there is a lead coming onto your platform and starting a contact us form, when they click on submit, you send them an email, you send them a message, an SMS most preferably, and then you call them once and say, hey, when can we book an appointment for you? We just got a call from you, right? So those are the ways that you need to work nowadays, and that is most important first step. So lead gen pipeline alongside ads. So that would be the first most important thing that ends on a call, and on call there is an appointment, or if there is no appointment, you send them a link that hey, whenever you are interested, you can just go here and book an appointment, or otherwise you keep calling them after a few days or after a month or whatever, depends upon your business basically. And you can also email them whenever you want to, right? So that is the most important thing, that they come through ad and they are the ones that are reaching you, and then everything happens downstream from there. So that is the number one thing. Second most important thing is you of course need to work on content. You need to work on creating videos just like this one via AI. Of course, this is my voice is organic and I have used AI for everything else. So if you like this type of videos, then definitely it can be done. For promo based videos, we can use HeyGen or platforms such as that. And in the similar way, we must be able to go towards SEO, because when we go organic, that will definitely be very much helpful, and it will take what we can say burden out of the ads, right? So SEO and AEO are very much important. You should rank higher on your SEO, and you should rank higher on the fact that if someone goes into Perplexity or ChatGPT and they write what is the best salon near me, and you should come there, right? So that is GEO. GEO and SEO is important, but before that you should always take care of your sales funnel. So that is the number one most important thing, and that is where all of your automation needs to be happening, and that is where all of your budgets should go into. Of course, everyone wants to create content, everyone wants to look cool and all of that, right? But the first step should be ad, and the second step is content and SEO, blogs, videos, all of that, and then we start boosting that, we start running ads on that. And I have seen a lot of business running only on TikTok, right? So from the content, it's just the same downstream funnel that you have already created. So that is the most important thing, that you create the sales funnel first, right? And then you create how you are going to entertain the conversation and how you are going to close the deal and bring them in, just like any human would do, right? So that is the most important thing, and everything else can come later, right? So those are 3 layers, I would say, that you want to do if you want to succeed via AI nowadays. So this is Shah. Thank you very much, and I help SMEs such as yours do more informed automation. And if you want to go without increasing the headcount a lot, you can just contact us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.